Hey guys, welcome back. My kids bought me this Airline hose for Christmas, this Vivor Airline hose. I'll put a link to that in the description. It's retractable. It's been working out really well. I've had it for a few months now. I use it to air up their tires a lot. So it was a great gift for me to help them out. But anyway, it was a great thought. I appreciate it so much because getting that hose out and moving it around is no fun. But anyway, I went ahead and just did kind of a really kind of a jank Airline setup, I'll call it, right? But it works really well. I thought about running Airline all through my garage, you know, like PEX or something that a lot of the garage shop channels do. But I ended up just going with this basic Airline kit. It's just like your normal, I think 3/8 inch Airline. Runs down to the compressor. Just kind of back here in the way. Let me pull that up and I'll show you everything I did to make it work. So what I did is I bought this short blue line on Amazon, link to that also in the description. Ran it out the compressor and up into this mini manifold. And this runs to the retractable air hose up on the ceiling over there. And this runs to this, I think it's about a 50-foot black cable that I've had, black Airline that I've had forever. And the reason why I did that is sometimes when I'm over here working on a car, I can just drag this out and run my impact or whatever air tool I'm using, air hammer, whatever, and get things done that way. This really, I'm only using for maybe air guns and tire inflation, things like that, because the kids will actually now come in, pull in, turn the compressor on, use this to air up their tires. I leave this end on it all the time. See if I can get it in focus for you, just so they can air up their tires. And we can reach all sides of the garage on this. But this was really fairly cheap setup, I'll call it. I think the manifold was less than $15. Short Airline was I don't remember, $8 or $9. And then the longer Airline was like $20. So very cheap setup. Solved the problem without spending a lot of money. So maybe one day I'll run PEX lines, but right now this is working for me. How would you do it differently? Leave a comment, let me know.